This is Dan Nolan. I'm the managing broker of Exit Realty over here in Indiana. And we're going to go through some steps today that's going to help you become an Indiana and Illinois broker, enhancing the grounds that you can cover and the exposure your clients are going to get when you are a dual state licensed broker. You don't have to be a managing broker, but broker will just do, and that's the direction we're going for now. Now, I've been through the fires before. I came over here in 2013, and I had to put in 2 years of being a broker before I could become a managing broker and open an office. And it's been a wild journey. And I'm about to take the edges off of all the things that I've seen throughout this trip. It's a wonderful life, and I'm here to make it easier on you. So, with that, let's begin. Now, we're going to cover a couple of places here through Access Indiana, which is going to take us to the Professional Licensing Administration, kind of like what Illinois has set up. You know, you have a entry portal, and then you have the actual work work department itself in an electronic form. So if you ever have to access anything through this presentation, refer to these links, and that should get you to where you need to go. Oh, and by the way, Indiana does have personalized plates for realtors over here in Indiana. Don't be afraid to come over here, move, and get your own license plate. Woo! But yeah, don't try and take that one. That one's so. What we're going to do, we're going to go to in.gov/access, and we're going to start at the beginning, and you're going to sign up for your account and just click on that. Now, if you get stuck on any of these projects, whether it is Indiana or Illinois portals, or say App City, or any other platform that you're unfamiliar with in the moment, it's got a help desk or a help center. So look for the help signs or make a phone call, and they will walk you through some of the rougher spots that come up. So you're going to start with your email, the email that you're going to use for your Indiana business. It may be different than your Illinois business. That's your call. We're going to put that in there, and they're going to say, hey, check your emails for a verification code. We want to make sure that the email you put in there is what you're going to do. And you get that code and you hit continue, and we're off and moving. So now they want you to sign in. They've confirmed you and your password. You want to sign in. And it's going to ask you if you want to do a text or an email two-step verification. This is important to do because there are people out there on the internet who are nefarious with information. It's just a good idea to always do two-step verification. So you're going to do your two-step, you're going to put it in there, and they're going to say, great, let's put your profile in here. So you're going to put your name, last name, and phone number there, organization name if you want, that's fine. Exit Realty, thank you very much. Sign up for the two-step verification for the rest of this process. I clicked no thank you to speed things up, but you can always set up two-step verification on that page. Click continue, and your recovery email, just in case of nefarious actions. I always have a recovery email on my accounts, and it's a good idea. So, in order for me to save time, no thanks. In order for you to save yourself from nefarious characters, click yes and proceed. But we're going to go through no thanks today. And that'll take you to the Access Indiana dashboard. It kind of shrunken down so we can all see. But you can see that there is to add two-step verification. You missed it, fine, whatever. So we're going to go to bookmark services. I've already bookmarked the services you're going to be looking for. And right now you are looking for the one that says, drumroll please, My License 1, Indiana Licensing Enterprise. So go ahead. What I did was type in PLA, loaded up these three, and My License 1 is where we're going. So let's go into My License 1. Who are you? Okay, sign in. Indiana Licensing Enterprise. This is an initial application, so we're going to click Initial Application. It's going to say select your profession, drop down to Real Estate Commission. Next window is Real Estate Broker Company School New Application is what we want. We loaded that down through the Dropbox and we click Next. And it says Real Estate Broker Company School New Application, Start Application. Click on that and we are off and running. We are now in the Welcome to in APLA. This is their portal. So you've gotten through access and you're now in the PLA. So you want to click on New License, and that will take you to the uh, licensing fork. You're going to take the personal licensing because it is a personal license. So you're going to click on log into personal licensing with Access Indiana. You're already in, so it will already know you. And all you have to do here is click on new application. Once you're into the new application, they're going to ask you for your social security number and your birth date to verify who you are. Go ahead and put that in and then search. And it's going to find you're a first time applicant in need of putting in all this information. Go ahead and put in your personal information, and it will take you to the licensing homepage, which is cool because it'll verify who you are, where you live, uh, the entire address. And now we're going to go into the initial application phase. So let's continue. We're going to choose from the drop downs, we're going to choose real estate commission and then real estate broker. We're not doing a secondary type, but we are doing reciprocity. And whenever you get a chance to find reciprocity on their paperwork or through the PSI testing system, you'll see that it is important that people listen to what you're trying to accomplish. A lot of folks just assume that we are just getting our licenses. No, we're getting a reciprocity license from Illinois. Doesn't matter, but yes, make sure that you're clicked on reciprocity, and it will take you through the system to the pay page. Now you're going to hit this next step, and you're going to click through to get your receipt, and you'll get a confirmation of your receipt. And then typically in 2 to 5 days, you're going to see a letter come from PLA that says your application with the Indiana PLA is pending. Now, this is something you're going to see every 2 weeks until you've completed your journey through the system. Whether you have to take a test or you're missing some paperwork, whatever it is, if you are not in the system every 2 weeks, it will send you this letter in your email. I would check your portal and then check PLA and make a phone call and find out what's missing. But at the beginning, I already know. They're looking for a letter of good standing from your state that you have that you are a licensee in good standing. This is just one that I got from my board from this year, which is the real estate board around Indianapolis. But it looks similar to whom this may concern. Do is a member of good standing, and IAR. They break it down that you are actually a realtor in. I'm sorry, a real estate broker in a different state. They need to confirm that because of reciprocity. And they're also looking for a supplemental form for initial licensure. This is where I've already pre-filled in my information. When you get this first letter, give me a call and I'll help you get that supplemental form to you so you can go ahead and fill it in and send it in with. It should take a couple of days, but if you do see anything come like that letter that we saw over here, give them a call. Typically, you're going to get a letter that says, "Yay, you're still pending." Okay, that's fine. Go in and sign in again, see if they're in your portal. If not, give them a call. It's usually easier to give them a call but you should have your license in typically 3 to 4 weeks once you get that initial supplemental and letter of good standing into the state. After that, you're in like Flint. I mean, we'll get you rolling. We'll get you into the board. We'll get you all signed up. We do participate in Wise Agent and all the things that you've seen over on the Illinois side of the border. We are ready to go, and we're looking forward to helping you expand your journey and make your clients' dreams come true. Isn't that what this is all about? Everybody gets their dreams come true. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 847-508-0652, or you can just text Dan at exit to 85377, and we'll find a way to make it happen. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and let's get this done. This is something that we can do while we still have a chance to do it. Talk to you again. Bye now.